So hi guys, I'm Ivan and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a ring taser. So it's actually gonna be on this ring. In here I'm wearing it. So this is the taser circuit. This produces over 1000 volts and this is pretty very much dangerous, and I'm like so afraid that I'm gonna release a video about this. Please don't try this on anyone. This is just an educational and experimentational video and just for safety. So don't get yourself shocked or don't shock anyone. So this ring taser, I actually had a video explaining the one which gives a milder shock. So yeah, you can search that on that ring taser and you can see it on my page. So that circuit is very basic. It has a bypass capacitor, I guess, and so that's how it you know evolved. And I feel like, yeah, why don't I make this one out of a mosquito bat? So this circuit is from a mosquito bat, I said, and this produces over 2000 volts, and I have taken the capacitor off in from this, and the charging part for the battery, I actually had this battery. I drilled a hole in that, and I don't think that I can use that battery, and that's like was pretty dead. So that's why I basically removed this thing. And so this was the charging circuit. There was capacitors and diodes and resistors. So yeah, that's the transformer. So this is the very basic circuit, and I also explained it. So please look out for that video also. And so I've drilled a hole here. I've just widened the hole a bit. The hole was drilled with this tool I bought. So they actually cost me about 1500 rupees. And so the switch lies there, and the circuit is going to be like this. So this is a 9-volt battery clip from one like this in here. This is a not working one, so I just cut one and took the lid out, the clip out. So the clip, and I've soldered it to a breadboard, connecting to the terminals inside it. And so here's how the switch will come out, and the switch would stay right in here. So like this, isn't it? That's how I planned it to be. And the next thing is that you gotta place your circuit board inside. So use double side tape. So here's some tape. I have already cut it, and remove the protective layer and put it in here. So yeah, and make sure that you place your switch and just press it, and it will fit in nice. So the next thing you have to do is maybe use some super glue, and that would help it more. So I don't have a video editing software or anything, so I just have to take long videos and post it on YouTube. Maybe in the comments you could give me a software link to download or something like that. Please help me out with that. And so super glue would work as well. That should stick on. And let's get to the next part, the wiring. So here's the base plate of this box in here. This is actually a telephone line divider box, and I just got this one for free. This stopped working, so I took the circuit board and mashed them into pieces. So yep, and super glue is enough, I guess. And this is medical tape here. and this tape is used, I just used it to make some kind of a strap. And here's a buckle, so you can just put it in like that. And so it's not compulsory to use this, you can even use Velcro or some other kind of a tape or something to do this band work, or you can even use your old watch or something like that. So this would sit on my arm like so, and here's how the battery would get connected. So the battery would get connected like this. Oopsie. So I'm gonna put another piece of tape so that it could get a good support. This is taking time, this is why I asked for a video editing software. So yep, and the wires, I'm gonna send them through this hole just to make it look better, like a pro look. You're a pro. So the hole, and I've taken the wire out. The switch is here, and the battery connection is there over there. The switch, the output wire of 2000 volts. So I'm gonna just put this battery and see whether this is in a working condition. Well, the problem in this circuit is that the transistor is in the loose connection and it stops working suddenly in there. So I don't know whether this battery is working one. So let me put it to this battery eliminator and see whether this works. So it's not actually working, so I don't know why that happens. And okay, let's try the reverse way, the way around, and it's still not working. So that's actual taser circuit, and the circuit is not working, I guess. So let me just show you my basic idea. So this base plate would sit in here. I'm gonna fix it here, and the next thing you want to do is to take it like this, put it over your arm, and use the buckle strap. And before doing that, the ring, by the way, I'm gonna be using is this one. So I'm gonna use it, put it for measurement. From here, the wire should go from here to here. So the wires should be a bit more trimmed and separated until this. So I'm gonna keep my ring like this. Now take some tape. I prefer using medical tape again. So I took medical tape and stick it on there. So you gotta stick it like this. First cut the tape into two small pieces, two small stripes, and place it like this inside the ring. Place one end inside the ring and put it over and fold it so that the wire could be held tightly. And the next wire you gotta do the same. Take another strip of tape and then put it the other end. Put it in the other side, not the end. So like this, and you got your ring taser ready. And that wiring is pretty much basic. So this is gonna be like, I'm gonna tape these two ends together, and voila, that's our ring taser, our very basic ring taser, and I don't know why that doesn't work. So that's my idea, and I'm gonna cut these edges, sorry, these wire ends a bit to remove the insulation, and that should work pretty good. So here I have the insulation, and so you have to keep this insulation from touching each other separately, but when you put it on someone else you should make good contact, so that would be best. And that's my ring taser idea. Let me show you that. I'm gonna put that buckle strap in here, and oh, this is gonna take that fit in here. So the next thing is like this. You have to put the ring on. So you just saw that. It's so simple. You gotta just keep it like this. Someone like this is more like a knuckle buster or something, and someone's gonna hit you. Boom! That's it. That gives them a terrible 2000 volts taser gun shock. So this thing is pretty dangerous, and I don't want you to try this on someone. And this is just for fun, and I'm not going to use that as a taser. First of all, I'm just going to be using that for projects. So thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and please let me know whether you have some questions. And don't forget that program I asked for you, the video editor program. Give me the best one, and I could help shorten my videos. Thanks for watching.